Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some shrimps right here. Already being cleaned, rinsed real good, pat dry. So now we're about to season these bad boys up. So tonight I will be making some bang bang tacos. Bang bang taco shrimp, bang bang tacos. We have our lemon, pepper. We also have our taco seasoning. So this is all we're using for the seasoning part. We have 1 egg. Crack that egg. Add your favorite hot sauce. And no, it's not gonna be spicy. It's gonna have a delicious flavor to it. That's all. A nice bite. Add your mustard. Now it's time to make the bath. Yeah, so we're gonna make the bath now. Okay, so here we go right here. We're about to make our bath. That's 1 cup. Two cups. All-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons. Baking powder. Okay. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We'll go do a 1/4 cup of cornmeal. 1/4 of cornmeal. And now we're gonna add our seasoning. We're using some chicken bouillon. 1, 2 and a half tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Lemon pepper, I'm just gonna eyeball that. Boom, there we go right there. So, this our bath right here. This is the bath. Alright. And what I did earlier, I also butterflied my shrimps. So I gave him a nice little slice down the middle. Boom. That's how we looking right there. Put them bad boys in there. Give him a nice, beautiful coat. I'm just letting it drip a little bit, shaking it. We'll shake it up. We're gonna let them sit in our mix in a little bath for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna take them out and let them sit for a couple more minutes so all that is suck in into your shrimp. Okay, so that's how it's looking right there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let them sit, and just like that for a couple more minutes. I'll say about 2 minutes, and we'll be ready to fry. Okay, so here we go right here. We're gonna check and see if this grease is ready. See how it sizzle? We're ready, man. We're ready, man. So that's how we looking. Nice cook. Nice. Okay, so that's how we want it. Just like that there. Nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. Now we'll transfer these to the rack. And take out the rest of it. Let's get the rest of these shrimp done. Okay, it's time for the sauce. So you grab your mayonnaise and add them to your cup, your bowl. It's one of my favorite go-to. So I eyeball this. sweet chili sauce. Save some for another day. Sriracha sauce. Whatever hot sauce you enjoy. I rock with the sriracha though. Just a little kick to it. Little something. Some of this honey. Some of that good honey. Boom. A little bit of garlic pepper. And some of this lemon juice. Not much, just a little bit. I just want to mix everything together. A couple seasoning fell in there too, from the lemon. We'll get them all later. I'm just making my sauce now. This with the sauce and the shrimp go good. Just the sauce and the shrimp. Just that bang bang sauce right here. Taste as you go. Everything mixed in. Okay. A little of this lemon pepper. That's it right there. And we gravy. So I'm finna mix these in. We finna make our tacos. Okay, so here we go right here. That's that bang bang shrimp. Okay. Yeah. Bang bang shrimp for real. When I say this is good right here. This is a real go-to right here. For real. Don't sleep on this bang bang shrimp. Don't sleep on it. Try it. If you haven't, try it. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. Nice bang bang shrimp tacos. When I say this is fire, this is fire. This is my #1 go-to. And if you ain't never tried the bang bang shrimp, don't sleep on it. Try it, for real. It's going crazy. And don't forget, hit that like button for me. Let these videos go out there. I appreciate all my family and friends. Appreciate everybody that comes support. All the new supporters. All the new family. I don't even feel right calling y'all supporters. All the new family. Appreciate everybody. And I'm gonna keep these videos coming. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.